cover the key sciences like biology and chemistry, and then we look at the forensic application of those sciences, so things like decomposition, crime scene investigation and toxicology. Forensic and archaeological sciences have been voted really highly by our students. Our NSS results put us top in Wales in most categories. In particular, we rated highly for teaching, which we scored 6th in the UK, assessment and feedback, where we were 7th, but also in other areas such as academic support and student voice. We've got a huge variety of teaching spaces, from our new classrooms and interactive teaching rooms like the Scale-Up Room, through to our specialist teaching and research labs. We also have a crime scene house, which we use for simulations, and a decomposition research facility. The best thing about the programme for me is the graduate outcomes. Our students go on to do really successful things, including research degrees at postgraduate level, but also working in the industry in areas such as crime scene investigation or cadaver dog handling.
I've always been fascinated with crime and solving puzzles. From very little, I was fascinated how a single fingerprint could lead to a conviction of a killer. And that inspired me to come here and study.